Hello and welcome to the 10K holiday sprint. In this video, Michelle is going to talk about how the SEAL 2023 with success, the 10K holiday sprint is going to work and how you can get involved and get earning 10K by the end of the year 2023. The best part is that it's not only giving you 10K by the end of 2023 if you are coachable and consistent, but it is going to absolutely change your 2024. So without further ado, here is Michelle.
So we are going to show you how to make 10K in 60 days. We're literally going to walk through the process step by step with you. You are going to combine the holiday spirit, financial aspiration, and the learning aspects of Pinterest and faceless video creation while earning 10K over the next 60 days. If that's something you're interested in, you'll absolutely love this video. We just finished a 90-day ramp up inside our community where I just want to show you some of the results people had, where we set goals, and I just want to share with you what people were able to achieve during that 90 days. Look at this. Kelly, 13,350 in the last 90 days. You guys, look at this. Renee, 23,250 in the last 90 days. So we are here to show you 10K in 60 days. So here are the details of the 10K holiday spread. It's going to go from November 1st through December 31st. You're going to get step by step how to make 10K in the next 60 days. You're going to follow a 2-hour workday. Hey, I get it. We're busy this time of the year, right? Family's the most important thing in making memories. So we're just talking 2 hours. 30 minutes here, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes here. We're going to help you get that into your already busy schedule so you can get the process going and flowing. You're going to love what I'm getting ready to share with you because it's the power of what we have here. And when you understand this, you're going to see how you can make 10K in 60 days. How to grow a business with no monthly expenses and no creating talking videos. Let's seal 2023 with success. Discover the simple process to make money on autopilot. Okay, so the ultimate discovery system. You ready? This is what we're going to focus on these next 60 days. Faceless branding. Imagine having a social media platform where you're not even on there. Nobody even knows it. You're going to learn a copy and paste free ads method, and you're going to learn Pinterest. So none of this requires you talking on video or even showing your face on video. This is what we're going to focus on over the next 60 days. Now, the last 90-day ramp up we did, I just want to share with you, this is what Robin took away from it. She found her perfect customer, and it's showing in her funnel. I love this because Ben's like, man, it just really helped him with have daily focus that he needed. And his mindset, he said, mindset is everything. So I love the fact that you guys, not only you're going to learn skill set, but you're going to learn mindset to equip you for success. Because I'm not just looking at working with you the next 60 days. You get that right. This is just creating that mindset and skill set you need. So in 2024, you can reach your goals and dreams. And hey, have an extra 10K for the holidays. I think we'd all have a little better holidays with that, right? Michelle says the videos are amazing. They really give me something to look forward to every day so I can implement your daily tips and content. Yes, you guys, every single day, you're going to get an action step video to do, a 5 to 10 minute video that lets you know what to do. It's part of the process so you can learn the skills to make 10K. So what can happen? You can start generating a predictable daily paying income. Have an online business that actually generates results, less time working, and make more income.
If you are seeing this video, I want to congratulate you on taking the first steps to change your life. My name is Courtney, and I jumped into IPS Six Figure Blueprint on July 25th, and let me tell you what it's done for my life. In the last 3 months, I have made over $32,000, all from my phone, all around my schedule, all from a 2-hour workday. I want you to remember, I started at 0 followers, 0 leads, 0 sales, 0 everything. I learned the skills to be successful online through our amazing community and our amazing blueprint. But that's not even the best part. The best part is these next 60 days, we are going to show you how to market using Pinterest and faceless videos. I don't know if you know this, but digital marketing is projected to be a $1 trillion industry next year. And I wanted to be able to support my family from home, from my phone. This has truly changed my life. And I hope that this gives you some encouragement to take the next step to change your life. Let's make 2023 the best year in our online digital marketing business.
We have over 4,700 people inside our community, and these were the common things that they all had said the way their life was before they discovered this process. They were spending time searching and getting more overwhelmed and no results. They were feeling hopeless because everything they tried had not produced results or had not saved them time. They were tired of getting their hopes up. They were burnt out on wasting so much time and having less time with their family. And many were frustrated because they kept on spending money and they weren't making any money. So imagine this is your life after you plug into your digital product, you plug into our process. You followed a proven system and you generate 10K in the next 60 days. How will that feel? Oh my gosh, how will that change your Christmas? What will you do different? Imagine the mindset, the skill set you'll have. Imagine how proud of yourself that you'll be, that you've learned the skills to make 10K in 60 days. Imagine that. You are finally able to quit your job and start focusing on doing the things that you love, my friend. You'll experience the freedom that comes with daily pay. You'll finally be able to have dream lifestyle and reach your biggest goals. Do you know what your dream lifestyle is? Spend some time writing it down and let's work towards that. Okay, my friend? You're worth it.
I am sitting here in school pickup line and I just have to give a quick testimony about what this system has done for me so far. You guys, not only has this paid my rent multiple months in a row, it's paid my car payment, it's paid my daughter's school tuition, all of that is great. But it has given me the mindset shift that I have been missing. It has allowed me to finally put value on my time and my time as a mom. I was able to quit my job as a nurse this month, and for the first time ever, I am a 100% stay-at-home and a present mom. Finding a community that believes in you has been the game changer. Having an automated system that does work for you while you live your life allows you to put value on your time.
Before I found this community, I was very close to throwing in the towel about my online business. I was going to stop. I was overwhelmed. I was tired. I was exhausted. I had no direction. I was a bit all over the place. I found this community and the digital products that we promote, and no word of a lie, my energy just shifted overnight. The 90-day ramp-up challenge with the daily videos just blew my mind. It kept me on track. It gave me energy. It gave me focus. It gave me hooks. It gave me so much information on a daily basis for 90 days. And I can't thank you enough because it's changing my whole business. I'm now making sales in my sleep. I'm making sales when I'm on holiday. I'm making sales on the weekend when I'm on a dog walk. Seriously, I cannot wait for the next one. Thank you so much.
I love the results that people are having inside of our community. You guys, this can be you. You can be sharing your success, what happened to you over the next 60 days. Why not you, my friend? Why not you? Oh my gosh, you're looking for a way to make an income. Why not you? So what is it that you are going to learn? You're going to learn how to promote products where you can make 100% profit, how to automate your online business. You guys, this is your freedom machine. This is going to be working for you 24/7. This is how you're able to work 2 hours a day, but learn the skills to make 10K in 60 days because it's automated. It will always be out there working for you. You're going to learn to use our ultimate discovery system so you can build a faceless brand, so you can use Pinterest, so you can do our copy and paste proven method. How to relate and connect to your perfect customer through content. So that way you never have to go find a customer, follow up with a customer, or friend request a customer. Step by step what you need to do daily to make 10K in the next 60 days. You're going to be equipped with every single thing you need to be very successful. So get started today and you're going to get immediate access to your digital product, immediate access to our community of over 4,700 online business owners that are there to help you reach your goals and dreams. You're going to learn for 4, 5, and 6-figure income earners. You're going to get immediate access to the 10K holiday sprint, daily action steps. You're going to know each day what you need to do, my friend, to reach your goals and dreams. You get a step-by-step system to ensure that you know exactly what it takes to generate daily pay. I break down the entire process and I share simple, actionable steps so that you can start making money online quickly as possible.
Guys, I honestly didn't think I would ever make money online because I tried for literally years before this business. I came in, it took me a little while to really have that belief and trust in myself to know that I could do it, but I was walking into an already successful business. So I decided to go full in, 100% in, do the training, do the work that was taught to me from the training. And once I decided to do that and I got started, that's when the money started coming in, y'all. And I am so thankful that I am in here. The community is so great and all the support that you get. You're never alone in this business and you always know what to do in your 2-hour workday. This was my biggest week so far. It was $2,100 in this last week. And all I'm going to do is go up from here. And now that I believe in myself and I believe in the system, it's no holding back.
All right, guys, we just finished our 90-day ramp-up challenge inside of our digital growth community. And every single day we received a video with a new challenge and tidbits about social media and just how to be better business owners. All of the tools that we are given on a daily basis during these challenges is really what helps us to level up our online businesses. But what I would like to say for myself, everything that I learned and utilized through those 90 days has earned me, for the 90-day ramp-up challenge, $32,599. We are getting ready to start our new challenge, which is going to be a 60-day holiday sprint. So hopefully you will get to be a part of our community and join that challenge with us as well.
Hi, my name is Mira Luna. Let me share something incredible with you. Our 90 days ramp up, the things I learned from this one. So I have the hooks and truth bombs. During these 90 days, I've discovered the power of hooks and truth bombs. These techniques are game changers. Now we have the positive mindset and motivation. We've not only developed a positive mindset, but also found boundless motivation to fuel our journey. Then we have the power of consistency. Consistency, the secret sauce that keeps us going for 2 hours workday every day, showing and delivering in our business. And we have the daily content creation, wherein every day Coach Michelle shares the 3 contents that empower us to create impactful, engaging, and valuable content. It's been an accelerating journey, and the results are speaking for themselves. We are building a strong, vibrant businesses.
So what you need to do next is you need to go to the description and you need to purchase your digital product. Now the 10K holiday sprint is based on our premium $600 digital product. I want to show you how to get $600 sales because that is less work and more money. And I want to show you step by step how you can make 10K in 60 days. I look forward to seeing you inside our community.